You're fired.
Or are you? A recent report by Goldman Sachs predicts that advances in artificial intelligence could lead to over 300 million jobs either being lost or degraded in the coming years. Is this just case closed? Imagine a world where financial analysts, consultants, accountants, and other professionals whose jobs are being threatened by AI received royalties for giving feedback and training enterprise AI. After all, generative models are only as good as the experts that train them. What if these experts received credit and compensation, like artists on Spotify, into perpetuity? Where did this idea come from? We used GiveFlag AI to analyze Silicon Valley Bank's old financial statements, seeking insights into how a shutdown by regulators could have been avoided. This was the first report we shared with analysts and financial forums. The AI-generated report revealed interesting insights. The critical expert feedback pointed to a few important factors that were overlooked by the AI model. For one, the AI model that performed the analysis was treating a bank like a normal company and applying accounting standards. This was faulty logic. The expert feedback converted into model training, helping to improve follow-on analysis. You can find a link in the description to the before analysis and the after analysis. This type of training should yield royalties and credit for the experts that improve the model through report feedback. The future of work may lie in sharing niche, highly specific knowledge, receiving perpetual royalties from AI-based products that assist companies. It could apply to a financial analyst at an investment bank as much as it could apply to a farmer with soil health management expertise in a specific region of the world based on decades of family-owned farm experience. Indeed, humans possess the nuance that AI often lacks. Generative AI and other machine learning technologies can potentially help us better identify and amplify our very individual professional expertise, and this could yield sustainable rewards. This could help in ensuring that future layoffs caused by advanced AI don't translate into long-term income reductions for workers and their families.